right now. We just bought 2 tickets to go to Hatton today. This train seems to be a special train because the views seem amazing. So we're really curious and looking forward to our train ride today. Thank you.
Kom maar. Ik heb een...
This train can take you all the way to the capital of Sri Lanka, Colombo. The most beautiful part of this train ride is between Hatton and Hatton. From Ella, that's around 4 hours. This ride is so special because it goes right through greenery, tea fields and the most astonishing valleys with waterfalls. Normally you would prefer to sit first class in the train, but not in this train. In first class you have aircon, but the windows and doors are closed. In second class everything is open, so you can enjoy the views but also hang outside the window or hang outside the doors.
Again?
Wari.
We came to the end of this amazing ride. If this video was useful for you, please share it with your friends. It would mean the world if you subscribe to our channel.